SEFPRO GUARD Tank Monitoring is a temperature measurement solution which is available for all types of furnaces. This is a cloud-based solution with 3 levels of information. The first one is the temperature itself, and second, be aware of accidents inside the furnace, such as leakages. And the third one is the corrosion profile level. So we provide the corrosion profile for the different solder block instrumented. So this solution can be implemented on all type of furnace, but more specifically on hybrid, high boosting one, and also electrical furnaces, where you have more corrosion at the bottom of the block. The main benefits of this solution is to give information to the customer to be able then to extend the lifetime of the furnace and be aware of sudden events like fatal events when you have leakage on the glass tank furnace.